If you're looking for a stunning dessert and you're a huge fan of chocolate and raspberry, follow this video until the end. I promise you won't regret. Hello, I'm Ellie and this is Cooking with Ellie. Welcome to another episode. In this video, we are going to make a chocolate raspberry mousse cake. It is a stunning and good looking cake. It is delicious and I personally love it. It has a very moist and fudgy brownie cake with 2 layers of mousse. First, chocolate mousse and second, raspberry mousse. So stay with me until the end and you will see how to bake it. Let's go see the ingredients together. And here is the ingredients for brownie cake. Here is for chocolate mousse. And at last, it's for raspberry mousse. Time to whisk the dry ingredients together. Flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and at the end, salt. Mix them together and set them aside. Cube the butter and place it in a medium bowl over medium-low heat. Stir occasionally as the butter melts. Add the sugar step by step and stir it into the melted butter until everything is combined together. You can do it in 2 steps or 1. I did it in 2 steps. Once the mixture has cooled, add the eggs one at a time, whisking well between each addition. Now, time for vanilla. Add 2 tsp vanilla extract and whisk it well. Finally, add the dry ingredients and stir them well. Make sure that everything is mixed and combined together. Now, choose your pan, spray the oil, put the non-stick paper and then again spray the oil on the bottom and on the edges. And then pour the brownie batter into the pan. After it's baked, cool the brownie layer completely before proceeding. Now we are going to make the chocolate mousse. Combine the chocolate, half cup of cream in a microwave safe bowl. Microwave in 30-second increments, stirring every 30 seconds to make sure that the chocolate has melted and you have a very smooth mixture. While you wait for the chocolate mixture to cool, whisk together the gelatin and cold water in a small bowl and set it aside. When the chocolate is at room temperature, microwave the bowl of gelatin for 15 seconds until it is melted. Whisk the melted gelatin and chocolate together and then you need to add the rest of heavy cream and mix everything well. Cake has cooled and ready. Pour the chocolate mousse, put it in the fridge until it's ready. For the raspberry mousse, we need to make a quick puree by blending half a cup of fresh raspberry in a blender or food processors. Pour them through a fine mesh strainer to remove the seeds. You need about a 1/4 cup raspberry puree for your raspberry mousse. Combine the white chocolate, raspberry mousse, half cup of heavy cream in a microwave safe bowl. Continue to make this layer the same way you made the chocolate layer by melting and cooling the chocolate. Prepare the gelatin the same way you made it for chocolate mousse. Transfer the melted chocolate and heavy cream to a larger bowl. Add the rest of heavy cream and mix them well. In this part, you can add food coloring if you desire. So I added red color to have a stronger color. And then you can add fresh raspberry. I added about half cup. Also, at the end, you need to add the gelatin. Pour the mousse over the chocolate mousse layer, spread it into an even layer and refrigerate it again. Okay, so here is the result. It took longer than I expected. It was supposed to take about 30 minutes for each layer of mousse, but it took about 2 to 3 hours. I don't know if there was a problem with my mousse or it's a regular thing. So I am going to open it and transfer it to this dish here. Okay, I admit that it was difficult to move it from the pan to the dish, but now that I look it, I love it. Oh my god, look at the layers. It looks good, so good. So I hope it will taste good as well. Now I'm gonna decorate it with chocolate and raspberry itself. Let's go and I will show you from closer how I am decorating it. You can decorate it with whatever you want. This is my choice. Let's see. For decorating the cake, I am going to use a grater and grate some white chocolate on top of the cake. Well, here is the result. Personally, I love it. Now, let's cut a piece and enjoy this delicious cake. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on subscribe and hit the bell icon. I hope you enjoyed this video and I see you in another episode.